Magandang umaga ho. Sa ngayon nandito tayo sa sa Crib Point. Papunta na Stony Point to. Ayan, bibili tayo ng worm. Yung Nightcrawler. Yan o. Meron naman sila ditong worm. Yan o. Sa Crib Point to, yan o. Brown compost worm. Pero ang bibiling ko yung Nightcrawler na pang pampain. Yan yung mga lalagyan niya. Oh. Ewan ko kung nandito siya eh. Wala pa siya eh. Yung ano niya eh. May liquid vermic ice. Meron din ako niyan. Pero ang hahanapin nga natin yung yung Nightcrawler. Pang fishing. Ewan ko kung meron siya rito. Titignan natin. Wala pa siya eh. Hi, mate.
Yeah, mate.
I'm after that Nightcrawler, mate.
Yeah.
Do you mind this one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Nightcrawler, mate.
Yeah, night crawlers. So what I'll do is I'll show you the farm here.
Okay.
Have you had much experience with them?
Nah.
No? Okay. Yeah. So what you're doing is you're starting off here.
Yep.
That keeps it nice and dark, stops any evaporation.
Okay.
And the worms will come up to the top.
Yep.
And don't want him in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so these are the night crawlers.
Yeah, yeah.
The fattening.
So what kind of is this
Yeah, I've got
coco peat or?
a bedding recipe there.
Yeah.
It's coir peat,
Yep.
peat moss, and
Yeah, I had some
and shredded paper.
red wriggler. I got heaps of it, but I need it for fishing, you know.
Yeah. So what happens is
Yeah.
you'll get them as the juveniles,
Yep.
and you need the proper bedding, which is this. I've got
Yep.
the recipe for that.
Yep.
And then what they'll do is they'll size up, and then after about 2 or 3 months,
Yep.
you need to separate them again because there'll be lots of babies, and then they won't size up. So
Okay.
what you'll do is you'll pick out all the big ones,
Yep.
and then put them in a separate
Transparent.
25 litre
Yeah.
tub, and then they'll size up more with the fresh bedding.
Okay.
Okay. Now
So-
I'll show you under here.
Yeah.
Right. So are you going to use something like this?
Yeah,
or-
yeah. I had 4 stock like that, you know. I had 2 of them. I told you I had that red wriggler.
Yes. Yeah.
Heaps of them, but I need some for fishing, you know. That's not good
Yeah.
for fishing. I don't know. It's too small.
Have them separate. Don't mix. Right.
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
mix, have
Yep.
them separate.
Yep.
The proper bedding, the fattening food,
Yep.
and then you can sort of see here that
Yeah.
they're coming up.
Yeah,
through
they're going on. Yeah, same as the
So
red.
what you need to do is you keep them separate
Yep.
and get all the big ones out,
Okay.
because they just keep breeding.
Yeah.
All right. So that's that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I need some for fishing first.
Yeah. I'll show you the fishing.
Yep.
So that there is the instructions.
Yep. And how
The,
to
the recipes and that.
and the guide. Yeah.
That's a bit of free food.
Okay. What is it? Like bread.
That's secret.
Secret. Okay.
It's taken me a lot of years to get
that's
that.
okay, yeah.
But you sprinkle that over the top.
Yeah.
So I'll show you here. So you can see I sprinkled a bit over
Yeah.
there. So these are the large ones.
Oh,
Right.
yeah, they're big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they will get big.
Yeah.
These are pure euros, 100% euros.
Yeah.
So that's $20, 30 worms.
Yep.
Right. And I'll show you the juveniles now. So
Ito na juvenile.
these are the juveniles. Oh, they're a bit bigger actually, so
Yeah,
that's
this
better.
one. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So they'll all size up the same time.
Okay.
Um,
So how long before I size them up?
So you're looking at 16 to 20 weeks,
16 to 20 weeks.
and then
yeah.
then they'll be nice.
Yeah, I think I'd been here before.
Oh,
Yeah, I'd been here before. I remember it.
You
Because I
have
used to
been?
fishing there on the Stony Point.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I'm
You
gonna
have
go-
been here.
Yeah, I'd been here before, long time ago, probably 5 years ago or something.
Oh, okay.
remember.
Yeah. So
So how much one tub?
$55.
This one.
Yep.
This one.
$20.
Okay. What do I need? Can you give me one more of this?
Yeah. Yep. And
And that's-
you want those?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
take that one.
Yeah, you need
start
those
it, you know.
to for your own to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And one more this.
Yep. Okay.
One
Yep.
more 20, so yeah.
Yep.
Yan, mag-start din tayo mag-alaga ng nightcrawler. Pakikita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ano ko, yung sa bahay na ano, na mga red wriggler 'yon. Pero ito, ano to? Mike. Uy. Wala pa siya. Nakapunta na rin ako dati dito. Okay ko. Yan. Yan ang lugar niya. Ang dami naman siya mga vegetable dyan sa paligid. Oh. Yan siguro yung mga ang dami niyang vegetable. Oh. Ito, ang laki. Oh. Ano to eh? Parang ano, hindi naman lettuce. Mustasa yata yan. Ito lettuce. Oh. Dami niyang halaman. Mike, how can you make it 100 so I don't have to get any change?
Yep. I've got some change here for you.
Yep. Yeah, all right. Man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. You should get some fish with that.
Yep. Make it 100 so I don't have to. You don't have to change.
Oh, okay.
That's 50. As you said, that's
95.
9. That's 2020.
Yep.
Make it 100.
Yeah.
Yep. So I don't have to have change.
Oh,
you
you
know?
happy? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I've got 5.
Ah,
Here you go.
no, that's 90. That's 50. 2020. That's 90.
55.
55.
55.
Okay.
Yep.
That's all right. Fair
Yep.
change. Okay.
Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
69 delivered.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they're for you as well.
Yep.
I'll grab a bag.
Yeah.
Alright?
Thanks, Mari.
Yep.
Yep.
So you use the castings? You know about the castings?
Yeah, I had some. I told you I got that regular anyway.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
plenty of casting on it.
That's a good result.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I even get this juice.
Yeah.
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 Warm juice. Yan, compost worm. Yung casting niya yan, 25 per bag. Yan ang casting niya. Yan ang ano niya, yung price niya, 1,000 worm, 35. 2,000 worm, 60. 4,000 worm, 55 niya. Brown. Ayan o. Okay na yan. Maganda naman. Marami naman siyang ano. Meron pang pagkain yan. Secret daw yan.
Have you got the bedding ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
They may have be the same as a red wriggler. Ano?
Pardon?
I use some newspaper and stuff, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they used to get more eggs on newspaper, you know.
Yeah. Don't feed these veggie scraps.
Okay. No, I don't.
Feed them.
Yeah.
Feed them this food.
Yep.
Now, what I've got, I'll grab another pamphlet.
Yep.
So I sell the food bulk.
Yep.
4 kilo for pick up.
Yep.
4 kilo is 35.
Yep.
And 2 kilo
Okay.
25.
Yep. Yeah. Mahal kasi ditong ano yung ano na yan, yung worm na yan. Pag bumili ka sa mga fishing shop, tong nightcrawler mahal eh. Ilan lang eh, ano na 30 na. Mga siguro 20 lang o 10 lang, 30 na. Dito mura-mura. Yeah. Okay. All right.
So
Thanks, Mari.
there's lots of recipes. I sell that separate.
Yep.
There's lots of recipes online.
Yep.
But I use this.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thanks, Mari.
See ya.
Thanks, see you, man. O, yan. Basta, ang gaganda rin ng halaman niya, oh. May mga sili pa siya, o, yan, oh. Ganda rin ng halaman niya. O, meron pa siya dito, pareho na sa atin, oh. Yan. Yan, oh, kung kailangan nyo ng nightcrawler, dito kayo sa brown compost and worm. Titignan nyo na lang online kung ano yung address nila. Pero dito lang yan sa Crib Point, malapit sa Stony Point. Yan o, gandito na lang yung pakikita ko sa inyo mamaya yung natin, yung paglipat ko nito sa worm farm natin. Kasi may red wriggler ako ron, pero nightcrawler. Pero so kayo, magpipishing muna tayo sa Stony Point, titingnan natin kung suswertein tayo doon. Yan o, sige o. At susunod na, pakikita ko sa inyo mamaya, pagkatapos ko mag-fishing. Ayun na mga kaibigan, nandito na tayo sa bahay at aayusin natin tong worm farm natin. Yan o. Kasi ito parehas naman to. Mga red wriggler to eh. Yan o. Baka red wriggler yan eh. Nalagyan ko ng karton. Gagawin ko, sasalin ko lang sila dito kasi ito red din to eh. Pero itong gagawin ko na lang nightcrawler dito. Dalawa naman dito yung pwedeng gamitin. Dami na nila. Ayan o. Mga to eh. Red wriggler yan. Ito gagamitin ko para sa para sa nightcrawler. Itong na to. Teka, lilipat ko muna itong dalawa, lalagay ko doon. Yan, lilipat ko na itong mga dito. Yung mga red wriggler. Marami pa naman bakante dito eh. Hindi naman punong-puno to. Yan o. Dami na rin nila. Yan o. Mga mga red wriggler yan. Yan o. Ang dami na sila. Lalo dito, ang dami na o. Pero ililipat ko muna yung iba dito. Para magamit ko to eh. Kailan baka mapunong-puno sila eh. Pero ito wala pa masyadong laman to eh. Sa isa na to. Dito ko sila ilalagay. Ito. Diyan. Ito maraming pagkain dyan eh. Yan dami oh. Yan oh. Tingnan nyo, dami na yan oh. Wriggler naman to, hindi naman to nightcrawler. Dami na. Ang dami na nila eh. Dito na lang sila. Dami oh. Dami na. Ito mga kinain lang nila yan. Yung ito. Mga din to, yung mga karton, naging lupa na. Ang dami oh, ayan oh. Pero hindi maganda nga ipampain to dahil maliit siya. Hindi masyadong malaki. Hindi ko na sila dyan. Dami na nilang lupa. Mabilis din tumami to eh. Yan. Isa pa. Yan ko muna ako lalagyan. Kailangan lagyan ko ulit ito ng karton. Pawala ng karton eh. Paubos na. Ang bilis din nila maubos yung karton eh. Kalalagay ko lang yan eh. Madami na rin sila. Yan o, dami o. Kalat naman yung mga yan. Hindi ko isa doon. Ito. Yan. Isa lang itong dyaryo eh. Ang bilis nila ubusin to eh. Sa medyo basa-basa, ubusin nila eh. Isa, may dalawa pa naman doon. Yan. Tapos tong isa, sasalin ko rin. Ano na ba yung doon? Ito doon. Ito dito rin. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ito dito. Saka ito. Ito wala naman laman eh. Ay. Ito wala laman to. Isa na to. Dito ko lagay itong iba. Kunti pa to eh. Madami na sila ngayon. Dapat night crawler na lang ang pinarami ko eh. Kasi magandang pain din yun sa ano eh. Magandang pampain. Ilang araw pwede nang kunin ng mga lupa nito eh. Ayan. Sali ko pa isa dyan. Wala pa naman. Kunti pa lang tubig niya. Kunti pa lang. Ito sasaling ko dito. Natanggalin ko muna to. Dami nila. Grabe, ang dami nila. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Yan. Ito. Dami na. Kalat na sila. Dito na sila sa kabila. Dito pa sa kabilang apartment. Ayan. Ayan, ano mo na matira eh. Pero minsan nawawala rin to eh. Parang tumatakas din minsan eh. Ang dami na kasi nito dati, kumunti ulit eh. Ayan. Nandito ko na nalalagay ang ano. Yung ano. Mas lagyan ko ulit ng konti nito. Gusto nila yung papel eh. Pwede na 1, 2, 3, 4. May isa pa. Ito pa. Ito pa dito eh. Para palang laman to. Ito ka na. Yan. Tapos itong dalawa, lalagyan ko panibago. Itong pinaghahalo dyan, yung kokopit, saka itong, ano, itong karton. Yan, yan karton, ito. Saka yung kokopit, pinaghahalo lang yan eh. Gahalo tayo. Yan. Tapos dadagdagan na lang. Yan, paghahaluin lang naman yan. Lalagyan ko silang pagkain. Gusto nila yung ganyan eh. May karton to, saka may papel, saka yung kokopit. Yan. Dito ko muna ilalagay yan. Itong ano, ito ano to eh. Yung isa rito, ito pang ano talaga ito. Mga juvenile pa to eh, na European Nightcrawler. 1,000 plus. Yan. Yan, medyo malalaki to eh. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Malalaki siya. Ayan. Yan, dyan na sila. Ayan. Kabilang mga ano to eh. Laglag. Gapang na yun dyan. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang ng papel. Bakit wala naman to. Tapos tingnan natin kung dadami sila. Tapos itong isa ganun din. Pero itong isa pang pain to, pero iyan ko lang. Ilalagay ko na rin. Dumami ba? Okay, kung lahat yan. Pati itong mga karton na may papel yan. No? Gusto nila yung karton eh. Yan, haluin ko lang to. Nadagdagan ko na lang pag ano. Nakakainin naman nila yung papel na yan. Susubukan ko itong ano na to eh, mga ano na, malalaki na. Pampain na to eh. Yan, malalaki na siya, yan. Tignan ko kung dadami siya dito. Lalaki oh. Tignan, ganda pampain yan eh. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang ng ano, mga papel. Pero yung sa pampapain ko yun eh. Yan, titignan natin kung dadami sila. Kasi ibaba wala naman laman. Yan na. Yan na. Yan o, bali yan yung Nightcrawler. Tapos to yung Red Wriggler. Wriggler. Yan. Yan, titignan natin kung dadami to. Maganda kung dumami siya. Ayan o, sige o, pinakita ko lang sa inyo itong Nightcrawler na binili ko. At pag bumili ka kasi dun sa, sa fishing shop, mahal eh. Bumili ko dun sa, sa Brown. Medyo mura siya. Saka titignan ko kung makakapagparami ako. Yan o, sige o, maraming salamat sa panonood. Lalaki na pala yung ano natin o. Dami ng bunga o. Yan o, dapat to anihin eh o. Ang dami na masyado o. Yan o. Dami ng bunga itong ano. Yan ako sabihin ko sa miss ko, anihin na yung bukas. Pati dito, ang dami rin, no? Dami na rin bunga. Yan o, malalaki na eh o. Tignan nyo, malaki na. Pwede na anihin eh o. Yan o, sige o, thank you. At marami pa ako i-missin.